Alright folks, time to empty another thing of potatoes. Unfortunately, they've got absolutely covered in greenfly for some reason up here. So I've never seen as many greenflies, so that's finished them off. So we'll give it a tip out, 10 litre pot, we'll see what we've got. Right then folks, let's see what we've got in this pot. As I said, it's been absolutely decimated by greenfly for some reason. So we'll have a look. Oh, it's looking a bit better than last time. I'll put these in here. Nice little ones. These are jazzy. Oh yeah, some nice ones. I did empty one out about 2 weeks ago and it wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be, so I've left them a couple of weeks and they're looking a little bit better. I'll shake this out. Still lots of little tiny ones that would have got bigger, but they'll all be eaten. Yeah, pretty good crop. The odd little one lurking. I think that's about it, but not too bad. Enough for a meal, that's all I really want from these little early pots. So if they'd all been that size it'd have been better, but like I said, because they've got greenfly damage, they've given up growing. So just a little reveal, not too bad.